यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Today I am again with you with a fresh line of idioms. I gave you a few words, they are synonyms, antonyms. Now most of my children, they are ringing me up saying, sir, give us some practical and feasible idioms which could help me in speaking better English. So keeping in line with that, I have chosen few idioms which would be very handy, which you should practice in day-to-day life. I gave you today I gave you few idioms. The first one was out of question. ये सवाल ही नहीं उठता, out of question यार, that you can expect something from me. Out of question, बिल्कुल भूल जाओ. So the idiom was out of question. The other one which I gave you was out of the blue. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं दिमाग में थी बात, and suddenly it happened. Rain came out of the blue. It was sunny day. I didn't expect a heavy rain. Heavy rain को भी बोलते हैं. It was raining cats and dogs. It was raining cats and dogs. Oh, it's raining cats and dogs. Oh my God, it came out of the blue. So when I just recapitulate my days when I was a student in my school days, there was a teacher, Miss Helen Davis. She was from England. Precisely, she was from London. And she said, it is out of the blue. You know, she used to reverberate. Entire part of her body was, it was just reverberating. She was so smart and gesturing that we still remember that those teachers whose teaching, the way of teaching was slightly different, their virtues still teach us a lot, and those things we should still imbibe in our personality, in day-to-day life, to learn something. The third one which I have, out of line. एक होता है ना, एक प्रिंसिपल लाइन होता है घर में, हर घर में एक कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट होता है कि नहीं, बच्चे को शाम में आ जाना है. कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं कि द चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग अवे लेट इन द नाइट, दे आर कमिंग लेट इन द नाइट, जस्ट लीव होम अर्ली इन द इवनिंग, दे कम लेट इन द नाइट. वो कुछ फैमिली जहाँ पे डिसिप्लिन बनती होती है. नो, दिस इज आउट ऑफ लाइन. यू कैन नॉट डू समथिंग विच इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल इन द फैमिली. You go with the permission and come in time. Indiscipline is out of line. मतलब ये जो रेखांकित, जो हमारी काल्पनिक क्रियाएं हैं, जो मापदंड है, उसके ऊपर नहीं जाना. आउट ऑफ लाइन, आउट ऑफ लीग. जैसे कहता है ना, देखते होगे स्कूल में भी बहुत सारे बच्चे आते हैं. कुछ एफ्लुएंट फैमिली से आते हैं, अमीर घर के बच्चे, कुछ मीडियोकर फैमिली के आते हैं, कुछ किसान घर के बच्चे आते हैं. तो सबकी अलग अलग दोस्ती हो जाती है. या उतना क्यों? कभी कभी आपने चारागाह में देखा होगा कि देयर आर इन ए होड द क्राउड ऑफ एनिमल्स, द बफेलोज स्टैंड विद बफेलोज, द बुल्स विद द बुल्स, द काउज विद द काउज, बट यू कैन नेवर सी ए पिग स्टैंडिंग विद द काउ. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड आउट ऑफ लीग. मतलब कभी आपने देखा है आउट ऑफ लीग मतलब हटके. व्हेन यू सी समथिंग, अभी मैं कोरोना के टाइम में देख रहा हूं कि इन सम ऑफ द सिटीज इवन द कैंगरूज आर मूविंग ओपनली इन द स्ट्रीट्स. दिस इज आउट ऑफ लीग. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं था, बट दे आर फाइंडिंग दैट नो ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स नाउ. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू रोम अराउंड. So here you can use the word out of league. Unthinkable, but that is happening. Out of order, very simple. the fan is out of order, खराब हो गया है. So we can use these words in day-to-day life so that these words really facilitate your speaking prowess. They help you out to speak fluently, and that helps you in getting yourself slightly motivated while you speak. That elates your speaking power and your inner confidence. Out of shape. You must have seen some of the obese children, while they climb up the ladder, they breathe fast. They can't run even for a second or two. After running for a few seconds, they are, they feel like taking rest. That is called, why? They are out of shape. मोटा सा, चिक फेंका हुआ, पेट फेंका हुआ, पाँव, घुटने सब फुले हुए. So we should not have children who are out of shape. That's why it is said, खेलो इंडिया खेलो. जितना पढ़ाई करना है उतना खेलना भी है. So a day will come that you will not turn yourself out of shape. आजकल मैं देख रहा हूँ स्कूल में भी, the school we should teach you how to lead a Spartan life. You have to be rough and tough, whether boys or girl. The buses are air conditioned, auditoriums are air conditioned, everything is air conditioned. I don't know what kind of life we are trying to prepare our children for. आजकल स्कूल में they are rendering 5-star culture. I have seen some of the families in Delhi. Oh my God, my son, my daughter, they are studying in one of the best schools of Delhi. Buses are 5-star type. Buses are cozy. What the hell you are sending your children for? You should send your children where they should learn the life, how to be rough and tough. If they cannot prepare today, they would be obese human being tomorrow. Out of the loop. एक होता है ना कि somebody is keeping me informed. अब जैसे देखो, कोई छुट्टी लिया, कोई फौजी है, वहाँ फौज से छुट्टी ले ली और ज्वाइन नहीं किया. When the commandant is asked, where is that constable? That commandant says he is out of loop. He was on leave, but he did not join. Nor did he communicate back to the platoon or the brigade or the unit. So out of loop, मतलब totally uninformed. गया तो फिर बताया नहीं, पता नहीं भाग गया क्या हुआ, या anything untoward happened against him. Out of character. एक होता है ना कि suppose your father has a particular characteristics. These are character means somebody has a typical characteristics. When father comes home, he loves his children. But suddenly his behavior changes. So you just start mesmerizing. What got wrong with my father? Why is he behaving this way? This is called out of character. My father was never like this. Why did he behave so badly? It was totally unusual on his part. So that is called out of character. Out of the way, hatke, which is not acceptable. एक पर्टिकुलर लाइन होती है और उस लाइन से यदि कोई आलतू फालतू हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड आउट ऑफ वे. दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सेप्टेंस, जैसे इंडिया में बोला जाता है कि सनातन धर्म के अंदर देर आर सर्टेन डूज एंड डोंट्स. वैष्णव होटल के अंदर लहसुन प्याज के बिना खाना मिलता है. And somebody says, नहीं यार, I ate non-vegetarian food in Vaishnav hotel. Somebody says that was out of the way. हो ही नहीं सकता. Not possible. ये सब words आप लिख के आप बोलोगे, it will be very easy for you to communicate. Out of the world, when you have to praise somebody, either in glorification or describing the beauty or the physical pulchritude or goodness of somebody Oh wow, these are the words which somebody really describes it. Out of the world, amazing, too good. No? So these idioms I am repeating for you just to reminding with the fact that once you remember, once upon a time you have to remember it by your heart, then it becomes your pet kind of characters. So you can keep on using day to day. That will be very easy and facilitate you to speak better. Out of touch. अब बहुत सारी पुरानी बात को पूछ दिया, कहा कि यार एक क्या है, आपने ये चीज़ है बताओ तो मेरे को. Somebody asked me after ये मतलब so many years of gap having done my post graduation, describe democracy of Mitchell, Mosca and Pareto. Then I'll say यार मैं भुला रहा हूँ, I'm out of touch. मतलब वो चीज़ें मुझे याद नहीं है. So I'm feeling that I'm totally out of touch. So that means वो चीज़ मेरे याददाश्त में है नहीं. The word is out of touch. Therefore, children, it is always advisable for you that you should remember these idioms and try to make your own. Never let these be in the textbook alone. Once it becomes your own, you shall automatically be impelled to speak better, fluently, and quite often. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि